Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on a kit that Lancome puts out every year, and they do it during the holidays, and it's this one right here for this year, and they always give you some full-size items. This time is 10 full-size items, and I always get this every year because it's a really good buy. This year is $65, which has gone up a little bit. It usually is between $55 and $58, but this year is $65. And they used to do it that it was with any purchase. So even if you just bought a sharpener, you could get this for the $65. But this year you have to have a minimum purchase of $35 in order to qualify for this. So inside, they always put some kind of a makeup bag. And usually they're a softer material, you know, collapsible material, but this year this is hard, which I don't know how I feel about it, because sometimes when you have the softer kind, they're easier to put in your in your baggage, you know, if you're trying to pack it with you or something. But again, this, you know, your makeup is not gonna break or spill or anything like that on something hard like this, so it has its pros and cons. So I want to show you what's inside the bag. So usually what I do is one of my favorite colognes is, or perfume, is by Lancome, and is La Vie est Belle. And Natalie, you can probably say that much more beautiful than I do, but that's the best I can do. This is one of my faves. So I only have like a little bit like this left in my bottle. So every year during Christmas, I go ahead and I get a backup, and then I purchase their yearly special. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So it comes with the Lancome Genifique. This is the concentrated serum, and I do use this. And this is very pricey. This is a smaller bottle. They have 3 different sizes, I believe. And this is the smallest bottle, but this is $78. So this is not a deluxe size. This is a regular size that they sell for $68. And I'm sorry, $78. So this alone is more than the whole cost of the whole kit. So I use this AM and PM, and I really do enjoy it. This is good for to keep the moisture in your skin, and also for wrinkles and fine lines. So I really do enjoy that. You also get a full-size Genifique eye cream, and this is $68. So between these two, you're over $100 already. And you get the full-size. Everything is full size, so I'm not going to keep saying full size. Eye makeup remover, which I don't use very often because I use a facial oil to remove my makeup, and that usually does an amazing job of removing even my eye makeup, and it doesn't burn or make my vision blurry. But sometimes some mascaras are easier to remove than others, and if I have a stubborn mascara, then I go back and I'll use this on a cotton square, and, you know, making sure that all of my mascara is off. I don't like to go to bed with any kind of makeup left on my face, so this is a good backup if I need it. So the first part of the container is empty, and as you can see, it's very pretty. It's like a very pretty red, like a ruby red, and it's like a cloth material. So, and it does have the zipper that, you know, goes like that. So now let's see what's at the bottom. So this is the lower part. Okay, and this comes with a full-size eyeliner, which, as you can see, is huge, and it is black. And I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not going to keep it, because I have plenty of black eyeliners and I don't need another one. It comes with my favorite eyelash primer. This is like $27.50, the Seals Booster, and it is really nice. It comes with the Monsieur Big Mascara, which I also love. This gives you incredible long and voluminous lashes. That's a hard word for me, guys. Voluminous. So this is great. And it comes with 2 lipsticks. One of them is this one here, and this one's the one that I am wearing right now. And this one is called something nude, hot nude, and it's a very pretty pinky shade, and it's like frosted, but it's very comfortable on the lips, and their lipsticks will last a long time on your lips. And then this one is Stiletto Red, which is a beautiful red with like some pink in it, but it's very, very, very pretty. This is one of my favorite lipstick formulas. Lancome has amazing lipsticks. So the other two things that came with it, let me wipe my hand so I can keep swatching for you. It comes with 2 palettes, and this is a face palette. This is supposed to be a bronzer, but I find it very light, and it also has glitter, so I would never use it as a bronzer. I'll probably use it more on my eyes. This is a highlighter. This is a blush, and this is also a blush. Let me swatch them for you. I'm wearing this blush today and this highlighter. Now, I do really enjoy the Lancome blushes. They'll last a long time. If you buy one, you'll have it for a long time. Even though they call they have the same like name as the regular blushes, I don't think it's the same formula. This is very powdery, has a lot of powder kick up, and I found that as I put it on my face, even the highlighter. So I really don't think this is the same formula, to tell you the truth. I've used it long enough to be able to tell. So this one here is the bronzer. The other one is the rose gold highlighter, which is nice, and I do have it on, but I have their highlighters also full size, and it's not quite like this. Then this is the Rose Fresque blush, which is very powdery. And then the other one is Shimmer Plum Affair, which is the other blush that has a lot of glitter. So I may be wrong, but I really don't think this is the same formula. I don't know if you can see, but it's very, you can see the powder there, and their blushes don't do that. The regular blushes do not do that. So I am wearing it. It's pretty, and I'll continue to wear it. But even if you take the palettes, you know, aside and you don't count them, I mean, the kit is definitely worth it for the rest of the products. And then this is an eyeshadow palette, and this is what I have on my eyes today. And I was able to create an okay look. I think it looks all right, but this is, again, this is not the same formula as they use on the singles. This is what I used on my crease, and then I used a little bit of the gray to darken it. First of all, they don't have like a matte beige to kind of like set your primer, so I didn't like that. Then I used this pink one right here on the corner to kind of darken it a little bit. Then I tried to darken the outer V with this one, and then I put the blue on the inner lid, but I really had to work hard to get any color on my face, on my eyes, especially with this one and the gray one. The only one that worked really, really well was this pink one right here. That one was really nice. That one, I mean, look. But the rest of them, this one is very, it's kind of patchy, and it feels very dry when you put your fingers across it. The blue one is okay. It's not bad. But the other ones I'm not crazy about. So usually I'm very rarely happy with the palettes that they include in these kits, but it's definitely worth it for the rest of the products. just for this, and this. This is going to cost you a lot more than $65 to purchase this. So, you know, I'm very pleased with the purchase. I always look, you can always see what it is that is available, what they're giving in the kit. It's not like, you know, you buy it blindsided and you don't know what you're getting. I got the Glam one. They have 2 of them. The other one had different color of eyeshadows, and then also, well, there was the mascara was different. It was not the Monsieur Big. It was their difficils, I think is how you call it, that comes in the skinny tube, and I don't like that mascara. That doesn't do anything at all for my eyes. I like their Drama mascara and the Monsieur Big. So what I'm wearing on the rest of my face, I am wearing the, oh, I think I put it in here. I'm wearing the Born This Way concealer all over under my eyes, and to cover a little bit of my dark spots. Then I'm using the Laura Mercier Baked Versatile Powder Foundation all over my face, and this is beautiful. This looks really, really beautiful. Very pretty. It looks on the skin. Then I'm using the Essence Lash Princess mascara. And the lipstick, I told you which lipstick I was wearing. It's the one, the Hot Nude from Lancome. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And the rest of you, thank you so much for giving me some of your time, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.